What's up, everybody? If you want to see how I got this winter berry look, please keep watching.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to film a winter berry makeup look. I had this look in one of my previous videos and someone requested that I film it, so I'm happy to do so. I'm going to start with the Bobbi Brown face base. This smells like citrus. It smells really, really good. And I'm just gonna take a tiny bit. And then the Maybelline 30 Hour Lumi Matte Foundation. This is in 250. We are past Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a really wonderful holiday with their family. I had a very busy Thanksgiving, cooking, cleaning, all that, but it was really nice to spend time with family and enjoy a nice meal all together. It is Sunday. Typically I do try to film on Saturdays. My schedule has been kind of off with the holiday, with family in town, with other things that are happening. I did go to bed super early last night and I ended up waking up at like 3:30 in the morning. This is the Natasha Denona in YN6. And I had a really productive morning. I read, I scrolled on my phone a little bit. I got some editing done, which I'm way behind on editing. I do have my third and fourth vlog to post and possibly a fifth already. I did also film a day in my lifestyle video, so look forward to those. And my mom is still in town. So we got up, well, I was already up, but when she got up, we went and saw the sunrise. And then her and I walked 2 miles on the beach and then came back and I made some breakfast. Turkish eggs. If you'd like to see how I make my Turkish eggs, I would love to show you guys. It's one of my absolute favorite breakfasts and it's so good. I've never tried anything like it. It really just has this really unique flavor and it has a ton of protein. And then after breakfast, I went to the gym and got like an early workout in. At that point, it was like 8:30. So by 9 o'clock, I had a pretty productive day. Violet is at her dad's. And when I called her, whatever happened kind of threw me off a little bit, so I'm kind of in like this funk now and I'm trying to shake it. They did just call me again. She did just call me again, so that helped. I'm not gonna get into the details of what happened, but it is very difficult sometimes, the struggles you face in a co-parenting type situation, if it's even called that. But all I could do is pray and I don't even want to talk about it anymore. So I woke up this morning feeling super energized and refreshed. And then after hearing about what happened over at her dad's, it really threw me energetically. This is the Natasha Denona powder foundation, and this is P2. So I am trying to get back in the groove for the day. I figured I would film, do my makeup, film this tutorial because it was requested, and try to get back in that positive energy. One size in ultra pink. We do go to Tennessee at the end of the week, so I am very much looking forward to that. We do Airbnb the cabin. It's called Whiskey Rose, and our cleaner suggested we get a Christmas tree this year, which I was hesitant to do, but then I thought about it and I was like, well, we're gonna be up there. December's already fully booked, why not? So I caught a Black Friday deal and got this really cute 6-foot white flocked Christmas tree that's pre-lit and some gold shatterproof ornaments. And I got a few other things to bring up there. Cardinals is like a thing at the cabin, and so I got 2 little cardinals to put in the tree as well. So I'm really looking forward to being up there. I haven't been there since last December. Normally we try to take a few trips, but last year was a really hard year for me, so we only made it up there once. And it's just gonna be so nice to spend some time in the woods, and it's supposed to snow while we're there. Hopefully some flurries, which would be so exciting. So I'll definitely be sure to vlog a little bit. I was gonna do the Luna Magic liquid blush, but I just set my face, I wasn't even thinking. So I'm going to Natasha Denona, the bronzer. I did just finish editing my makeup for the Sam Barber concert, so you guys can check that out here. I filmed outside and it was like so chaotic, but my makeup actually came out pretty good for the night, so I was happy about that. This evening, even though it is Sunday, we are taking on a new client for cleaning. It's like this French cafe here in North Florida, and so my scheduling manager is meeting me at this establishment this evening. So I'm really hoping to land this new client. I think we will. They have 5 locations, so that'll be a pretty big catch for us as far as growing the business. This is the Kevin Aquan brow pencil. This has actually become one of my favorite brow pencils because it's so convenient. It has this spoolie and it just wheels up, and it's like this super tiny little tip, so you could get really detailed with it. I apologize for my energy being so low. I really was feeling super good today until I spoke to my daughter over at her dad's, and yeah, I'm not gonna get into everything that happened, but it just sucks sometimes to know that in certain situations you're powerless when your kid is with the other parent, and it's really hard. It really is hard. You know, I'm mad, I feel sad, and I feel powerless, you know. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But I'm trying to distract my mind by working, so. Okay, now for eyes. The look I had in the video, I had this taupe eye with like a berry lip. So I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona Hot Taupic. This has become one of my absolute favorite palettes. I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush to this medium tone, and kind of do that all over the lid. go in with this like lighter silver color right here. And just tap that all over the lid. Almost like a frost. See that? And I'm gonna go back with the blending brush and just kind of soften everything. And then I'm gonna take this little teeny tiny brush and just get some under my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with this darker silver on the outer corner, and then the lighter silver on the inner under eye. And I am gonna take this Half Magic sparkle stick. It's this really beautiful taupe gray color, and I'm just gonna get the very outer edge of my eye to give my eye some definition. And then I'm gonna take that tiny little brush and just kind of smudge it out. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I think the main focus of this look is really the lip. So I'm gonna set my face. Milani, make it last. Now I'm gonna go in with the Grande lash and the bubble lash. I have been using this so much, it's almost empty. So I almost need to replace this. And I love this mascara so much. So first the Grande. This is a conditioning peptide mascara. That's why I like to do this one first, because it's like nourishing for your lashes. I know this is like a chit chat get ready with me, but I'm so in my head right now about things that are going on, and when I get stressed, I get quiet. When I get sad, I get quiet. When I get angry, I get quiet. And I am just like processing a lot of emotions right now. And feeling powerless when it comes to your kids has to be one of the absolute hardest emotions I've ever faced. Certain situations are out of your hands, and it just really sucks. That's all I can say about it. And for the lips, I have the Kevyn Aucoin Unforgettable Lip Definer, New Naked. And what I like about this lip liner is that it stays a really long time. And now the Natasha Denona in Berry Pop. This is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks. Look at how beautiful that is, especially with like a silver. For me, it just screams holiday. I love these two colors together. Cute. And I'm just gonna take my finger and kind of blend the lip liner and the lipstick together. And then I'm going to top it off with this Hourglass Cosmic Unreal lip gloss. It is just so beautiful. I am going to add just a little bit of this Natasha Denona Infused Glow Beautifier. Gorgeous. And that completes the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to the person who requested to see this makeup tutorial. Comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.